Do all commercial cooking installations require hood duct and automatic extinguishing system protection? An underwriter recently asked if a certain cooking installation needed a complete hood duct and automatic extinguishing system. The appliances in question were a countertop grill and a two-burner countertop range. Both were electric powered. The listing agent thought this power source made a difference in the level of protection required. NFPA 96, the standard for ventilation control and fire protection of commercial cooking operations, provides guidance for this question. Natural gas or propane fueled appliances required as protection because of the nature of the fuel, which releases products of combustion when used, and most importantly, grease-laden vapors. Most electric-powered equipment that produces grease-laden vapors is also required to be fully protected. However, the standard does not require electric appliances that are listed under UL 197. Most electric cooking equipment found in commercial kitchens doesn't have this listing. Other electric equipment that does not require a hood exhaust system are recirculating systems, which include a cooking appliance, collection hood, grease filters, and a fire suppression system. Thanks for taking the time to learn with us today. Make sure you don't miss out on our other useful tips for underwriters and other insurance professionals by subscribing to our channel today.